A dangerous shortcut, the do-it-yourself will. That $50 for an online will could cost your family a fortune. Every year, thousands of families discover too late that DIY wills can create devastating legal nightmares. Missing signatures, unclear language, overlooked assets. These simple mistakes can invalidate your entire will. The cost? Lengthy court battles, lost assets, and worst of all, broken family relationships that may never heal. Today's complex family structures and digital assets require professional guidance. What happens to your cryptocurrency? Your business? Your blended family? Think of estate planning like building your family's future home. Would you skip the architect to save a few dollars? Visit legacyassuranceplan.com today to get started on protecting what matters most, your family's future. Because peace of mind is worth more than a $50 shortcut.
Protect your assets and loved ones with Legacy Assurance Plan. Call now to get started.